Welcome to the another video of Sigma Tech. So today we have a Samsung board for repair. It's a pretty old laptop. You might have aware of this. These kind of boards we find this chip. It's a Nec Tokin. We call it Nec Tokin. If you type Nec Tokin on YouTube, you'll find many videos of that. Okay. So same thing here. We are facing the problem that sometimes it turns on after pressing one time power button, and sometimes multiple time of pressing also will not help out. Okay, it will not turn on. So in this scenario we have two things to do. One is replacing this Nec Tokin with 330 UF capacitors, which is available on the older motherboards, and the second thing is we have to repair this power button. It's older type power button, and as the time passes there will be a layer of carbon below this button. Okay, so that we need to clear, or else we need to replace the button itself. So since it's a older PC, older laptop, I may not have this button, so let's try to fix it. Stay tuned till the end. So guys, this is the Nec Tokin which we have to remove, and we'll start removing. We need a sharp object, or I'm just using the tweezer, but you can use any sharp item to remove this. We'll apply some flux over it, and then we will use the larger iron like this. As you can see, we have removed it fully. Now we have to check once which is ground and which is the main. So processor is attached, so we will not find it. We need to remove the processor. It's a first generation processor. So the inner side, this one is ground, and outside is the main. So we have to keep the capacitors lower side this way and the upper side, which is main, this way. Okay, so first we will attach capacitors, and then we will fix this one. So I think it's a small place, so we will scratch this surface so that it will become larger portion of ground. So it is done, guys, you can see. Now let's put the capacitors over here. So guys, here we have 4 capacitors, which is the value of 330 UF. Hopefully I'll be able to show you. It's 330 UF, as you can see. Now all 4 we need to put here. The ground should be inward and the main should be outward, like this. So let's put it, and then we will check. After that we will try to fix the button. Since there is still low space, we need to scratch further here. So guys, you can see it has been placed perfectly. It doesn't look that beautiful, but the connection should be intact and it is perfect. Okay, now let's put the processor and check once. Hopefully this will solve our problem. Okay guys, as you can see, it is turning on with one click, and if you turn it off, yeah, it is off. Now again we will test. Yes, it is turning on. So guys, this is how we fix laptops at Sigma Computers. If you found the video informative, please give a like to the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Let's meet on another video.